Hi, I'm Hilary Hendershott, founder of Hendershott Wealth Management, and welcome back to our channel. I'm really excited to share with you the massive potential tax benefits of a tax-aware long-short strategy. But before we dive in, if you're looking for more content about how to reduce your lifetime tax bill and build wealth, please hit subscribe and tap the bell so you get notified when we share. What I'm about to share with you is a hypothetical example because existing clients' financials are confidential, but the math of these potential tax benefits is very real. In 2001, our hypothetical client, Natasha, made a brilliant decision. She took an inherited $50,000 and invested it equally in two companies she loved, Apple and Amazon. 24 years later, that investment has turned into a $12 million windfall, poised to fund her dream retirement. The problem is that her entire fortune is dangerously concentrated in just two stocks. Diversification for Natasha is long overdue. If she sells to diversify, it triggers a massive tax bill. The immediate cost would be $4 million in capital gains taxes. That $4 million is instantly gone before a single dollar is ever reinvested. So what are her options? Well, she could take the traditional route, sell now, pay the $4 million in taxes, and invest the remaining $8 million into a diversified portfolio. Assuming market returns of 6.5% and 2.5% inflation, that portfolio would support about $350,000 of annual real spending for the next 25 years. This approach would also generate more than $1.5 million in additional taxes over that 25-year period. That's $5.5 million in taxes standing between Natasha and her financial freedom. There should be a better way. And now there is. Natasha uses our firm to implement ultra tax-efficient wealth management on her behalf. In this case, we would select for her a tax-aware long-short solution implemented by AQR in their Flex SMA product. Going forward, I'll simply refer to this as Flex. With Flex, Natasha can transform her entire $12 million concentrated position into a fully diversified, high-quality portfolio in less than 2 years, while triggering minimal capital gains taxes. Much of that diversification can even happen on day one. The payoff for avoiding her immediate tax bill is phenomenal. Instead of starting with an $8 million portfolio, she starts with close to her full $12 million. With the exact same market assumptions, her Flex account can now support nearly $590,000 of annual real spending for the next 25 years. That's an increase of almost $240,000 per year in spending compared to a world without Flex. Natasha gets a profoundly better outcome, all thanks to Hendershott Wealth Management and ultra tax-efficient wealth management. If you're sitting on a highly appreciated, concentrated stock position, don't let taxes dictate your future. Let us fill in the details for you about how Flex works. Schedule a complimentary conversation with our advisory team today to see how ultra tax-efficient wealth management and a low-risk, tax-aware long-short strategy could turn your big payday into lifelong financial security. You can do that by clicking on the link below this video or by going to hendershottwealth.com/contact. Also, if you're intrigued by the idea of reducing your lifetime tax bill, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. I post continuous insights on tax efficiency, planning, wealth growth, and how to make your money work for your life. So stay tuned.